How to install Zendrop and connect it to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install Zendrop and connect it to your Shopify store. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and in the dashboard you can navigate to App Store. Here you can click apps here, then you can just search Zendrop, and you will find the Zendrop app here. But if you don't see it, you can just click search Zendrop here on the Shopify App Store, and you will see this one. You can click on it, the best match, and this is the Zendrop app. Now you can just click install here. After that, you will be redirected to the install app page. So you can just click install here after you agree with this term and condition. After that, it will show this page. So basically, this page is specifically for you that have a plan in your Shopify store. So if you don't have the plan yet, this page will not show. And if you have a plan, you can just click approve. And as you can see, you will be billed for the app when you begin to use it. So yeah, you have to understand it. So I think that's it, how to install and connect the Zendrop to Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.